Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your real estate business with RE/MAX detailed guide step by step clearly. First, assess your current situation and identify the challenges you face. Take a moment to analyze your sales metrics and overall performance. Review any feedback from clients to understand pain points in your service. Next, research the RE/MAX brand and its resources available to agents. Familiarize yourself with the tools RE/MAX offers, such as marketing platforms and technology support. Join RE/MAX training sessions or webinars to enhance your knowledge and skills. Reconnect with your existing client base to gauge their interest in your services. Utilize social media to showcase your listings and create engaging content to keep your audience informed about market trends. Focus on building relationships with local businesses to expand your network. Revisit your marketing strategies and implement fresh ideas based on recent trends. Consider leveraging RE/MAX's extensive advertising capabilities for broader reach. Set specific goals for your recovery plan to track your progress effectively. Monitor your financials closely to manage your budget during this period. Regularly engage with your RE/MAX team for support and motivation. Celebrate small victories to maintain a positive outlook as you recover. Stay persistent and adaptable as the real estate market continues to evolve. With dedication, your business can regain its momentum with the support of RE/MAX. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.